In today's video, we are making 3 easy high-protein ice cream recipes without an ice cream maker or a Ninja Creamy. These recipes contain no protein powder and each serving has between 14 to 16 grams of protein. We're making 3 yummy flavors: peanut butter, strawberry cheesecake, and chocolate hazelnut. And we're gonna start with the peanut butter flavor. We need 1.5 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey. And 2 tablespoons of unsweetened creamy peanut butter. And 1/4 cup of powdered peanut butter. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. And then we just blend until creamy. And then we pour the mixture into a container. And then we're gonna freeze it for about 4 hours. Here's the ready peanut butter ice cream. Let's do a taste test. It's rich and creamy and really yummy, and it contains about 14 grams of protein per serving. Next, we're gonna make the chocolate hazelnut flavor. For that, we need cottage cheese, unsweetened cacao powder, soaked hazelnuts. I soaked these in water overnight. Some honey or maple syrup, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. And now we're just gonna add all the ingredients into the blender. We need 1/2 cup of the soaked hazelnuts and 1.5 cups of cottage cheese, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. And then we just blend until creamy. And then we pour the mixture into a container. Then you can add chopped hazelnuts on top if you like. And then we're gonna freeze this for about 3 hours. And here's the ready chocolate hazelnut ice cream. This looks so good. Let's do a taste test. It's rich and creamy. Chocolate and hazelnut is one of my favorite flavor combinations. This is really good. Definitely recommend trying it out. And it contains about 16 grams of protein per serving. And lastly, we're gonna make the strawberry cheesecake ice cream. For that, we need strawberries and cottage cheese and cream cheese for that cheesecake flavor, and vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and honey or maple syrup. We need 1.5 cups of strawberries, and 2 tablespoons of light green cheese, and 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of cottage cheese. And then we just blend until creamy. Then we pour the mixture into a container, and then we freeze it for about 4 hours. Here's the ready strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Let's try it out. This really tastes like strawberry cheesecake. It's creamy and refreshing, a perfect treat for hot summer days, and it contains about 15 grams of protein per serving. The written recipes are in the description as always. For more easy recipes like these, check out my recipe ebooks. I'll add the link down below. See you guys next week. Bye!